Roman numerals. Although Roman numerals are not part of most math curriculums today, they are good to know. Roman numerals are seen in textbooks, football games, analog clocks, and other places. In this number system, letters are used instead of numbers. The letters represent a value. I equals 1. V equals 5. X equals 10. L equals 50. C equals 100. D equals 500. M equals 1000. 0 does not exist in Roman numerals. There are the 7 Roman numerals you should know. Before we begin, notice that there isn't a letter for the number 0. The idea of 0 does not exist in Roman numerals. Rules of writing Roman numerals. When writing Roman numerals with more than one letter, follow these rules. Let's look at the first rule. Rule 1. If the larger value is written first, followed by the smaller value, then add the values. Let's look at how we would write the number 6. The Roman numeral for 6 is VI. V equals 5. I equals 1. V is the greater value. I is the lesser value. V is the greater value. It equals 5. It is written first. I follows the V because it has a smaller value than 5. Add them together to get 6. VI equals 6. Rule 2. Let's look at the second rule. If the smaller value is written first, followed by the larger value, then subtract the values. Let's look at how we would write the number 4. The Roman numeral for 4 is IV. I equals 1. V equals 5. I is the lesser value. V is the greater value. I is the smaller value. Equals 1. It is written first. V follows the I because it has a greater value than 1. Subtract them to get 4. Rule 3. Another rule to remember is that the capital letters I, X, C, and M are the only letters that can repeat. You cannot write the number 100 with 2 capital L's. L cannot be repeated because it is not one of the 4 letters we discussed. Rule 4. Finally, do not allow any of these 4 letters to repeat more than 3 times in a row. In these 2 examples, the capital I is repeated 3 times. This is how we create the numbers 8 and 13. Remember, I is the smaller value, so it goes after the V and X.